fair price, good service, and I keep coming back even with the relocation. I just showed up today again for some service on my automobiles.
Yeah. And what's the best part of the experience you have at Global Auto?
Global Auto has been serving me real well. I have 2 automobiles and I send quite a few customers, and everybody has high regards for the place and the ownership.
Found good. We're here and they are really nice. Oh, the prices are nice also. I recommend everybody that wants good quality business, come here. They will help you in every area that you need.
So you're a satisfied customer?
Yes, I am very satisfied.